In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the correct Dramabox app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for you to get Dramabox app, you need to go ahead and access Google Play Store and then tap on it to open. From here, go ahead and tap on this search. If you can't see the search button on top here, and you can see it will appear. Now tap on it and just search Dramabox as one word and then tap on this search, and here we go, we have our Dramabox app. So to know it is the correct Dramabox app, if you open it, you should see it is from Story Matrix company, and at the time of recording this, it has over 3 million reviews with a star rating of 4. And you can see the file size is 46 MBs and currently it has over 100 million downloads. So if you see these details and this is the logo, then you'll know that you have the correct app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can proceed and tap to open here. Alternatively, if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your Dramabox. You can now tap on it to open and start using this Dramabox app for your movies. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.